Sahabat Green, saat ini saya sedang berada di Hotel Pangeran Pekanbaru dan saya sedang berdiri bersama Mr. Marco Piazza from FAO. So, good evening,
Nice
Mr.
to meet
Marco.
you.
Nice to meet you. So, Mr. Marco Piazza from FAO akan menjelaskan beberapa hal yang sangat penting tentang pertemuan hari ini. So, biarkan saya untuk melakukan beberapa interview kepada beliau. Okay, Mr. Marco, could you introduce yourself to the audience here, to the Sahabat Green?
Yes, my name is Marco Piazza. I'm from the FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. I work in the regional office for the Asia Pacific, and we support a number of projects, a number of activities in forestry in the Asia Pacific region.
Okay, that's amazing. About this meeting, the Green, so what is the point of the meeting today during the 8th and 9th May 2025?
Yes, we came here. I wear two hats, basically. One is as a forestry officer of the Food and Agriculture Organization, but also together with UNEP and UNDP, we are part of a larger program called UN RED. The UN RED program exists since 2008, and it's a program specifically aimed at helping countries to reduce emissions from deforestation and forest degradation. Indonesia is one of our target countries, together with a few other in the region. And so these last 2 days we were here to launch this project, Green for Riau, which is sponsored and financed by the UK government. Well, the main point of the project, of course, is to help Riau to establish a system which they can use to then apply for a high integrity carbon emission reduction. Okay, so this initiative is particularly relevant in the province of Riau, we think, because it has a very unique landscape, a very unique biome. A great majority of Riau, of course, is constituted by peatland, and also mangroves has a very dominant presence here. And we know those two biomes are very special compared to other types of forest because of their capacity of storing so much organic carbon, particularly in the soil. As UN RED program, we also have supported similar initiatives, specifically on mangroves. I can mention, for example, in Myanmar, we just concluded one initiative there where we work with local communities to promote rehabilitation and restoration of mangroves area. So this Green for Riau, it's of course not specifically only on mangroves, but mangroves is one part of it.
Okay, that's amazing. So, but the mangrove and the climate program, this is just the beginning for the next continuous actions, right? So, in your view, or what's your vision about the program? What's your vision about the future of Indonesia as well?
Well, Indonesia, I think, already made very significant steps ahead in their effort to reduce emission from the forest sector. This was witnessed by a number of presentations that we heard. As I said before, we are not new in the country. We have been working with the government at various levels in other regions. As FAO, we supported the development of a new methodology for a national forest inventory, which also will become very crucial in this initiative. And as a UN RED program as well, this is really our goal to really have a success in this project in Riau, particularly because we see that this experience could be, we could consider this as a pilot and to be replicated in other provinces with the similar efforts.
Okay, so that's our interview today. Thank you, Mr. Marco, for your time. Thank you for visiting Indonesia. It's a great pleasure.
Yeah, thank you so much. And it's not the first time and it's not the last time. So we'll come back for sure.
Sure.
Okay.
Ya, sahabat Green, inilah pembicaraan saya, wawancara saya bersama Mr. Marco Piazza from FAO. Sampai ketemu lagi di event-event selanjutnya. Tetap di Green Radio Line Beyond the Limit.